Hey guys, welcome back to Justahobby. It's Saturday morning and we're going to go ahead and do our tire and wheel swap. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tires. We'll load them up in the truck, head over to the tire shop, and then we'll bring them back, throw them on the car, and see what we got. Here we go. Alrighty, so here are the tires. Hopefully you can see them. Okay, these are Firestone Deluxe Champion 450 475 16s. These tires are new. They've only got maybe, I don't know, 5 miles maybe, 10 miles maybe. They're new. Here are, again, Firestone Deluxe Champion. These are 750 16s. These and those are the tires that are going on those wheels. Okay, so these guys are going on these wheels. Let's go ahead and get this stuff loaded up. Let's get it loaded up and get to the tire shop. Let's I don't know if you guys saw that. Another spider. Just frickin' another spider. Another spider crawled off that tire. What in the hell is it with spiders? Anybody's got a trick to get rid of the little bastards? Let me know. They're kind of a pain in the ass. Let's get these. I will tell you one thing. These tires ain't light. You get them full of air, they got some weight to them. Okay, there's that. Let's see if we can get the big boys in here. Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip the screen around and walk you guys around the car, just show you what the wheels look like. I'll come back and wrap this up, okay? Hang on just a second. Okay. Here's my car. If you guys remember before, she had white walls on her, and I went ahead and changed them up. The wheels that are on this car are the same wheels that had the white walls on them. I just had the white walls removed, and I had Firestone Deluxe Champion 450s put on the front, which you can see there. Okay. And yeah, I know it's missing a lug nut. And then back here, these are the Firestone Deluxe Champion 750s. Again, I use the same wheels, and the reason for it is these are 51 Ford special order 16-inch wheels that came in a 4.5 bolt pattern. My car has a 4.5 bolt pattern all the way around. So when I ran into these, I snatched them up because I want to run them as runners right now. The wheels that I'm actually running on the car are not ready. I'm still preparing those wheels for the car. They've had to have quite a bit of work done to them, and I'll show them to you in a later video. But right now I wanted to kind of just give you an idea of what she looks like with these wheels and tires. Try my best with the camera. I'm not that great at this yet. Never will be, but I'm trying. Anyway, that's what she looks like right now. I'm pretty happy with it, especially in the rear end. If you guys look back here, that distance, man, I'm guessing before I had the springs lowered 2 inches, she's probably sticking up another 3.5 from where she's at right now. I mean, it just looked ridiculous. It was ridiculously high. So I think right now it looks really good, and I'm pretty happy with it. So we're gonna stick with that, and I'll let you guys know when we get ready to change it. When I take the car out for the drive to test the front end a little bit, get some more information so I know what to do next, I'll shoot a video then, and that way you guys can hear the car run, and I'll actually have you in the car with me, and we'll take it out for a spin and bring it back, okay? All right, that's going to be it for now. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, trying to get this down, trying to figure it all out, but hopefully I talked a little more in this video, and hopefully it helped somebody out and you enjoyed it a little bit more. I'll keep coming at you with more and more information as I keep doing things. It's a slow process. It's just me. I don't have any help. I'm doing all this by myself, and the stuff I can't do, or I don't have machines or equipment to do, you know, I farm out, and I'll let you know what that stuff is. But for the majority of the car, I'll be building the car myself. So it's going to take quite a while. But thanks for tuning in. I'll try to throw some other stuff in every now and then, but I appreciate it. And if you guys would, like and subscribe. Until next time, thanks.